When you work with gold, silver, and platinum to make jewelry, you work with an open flame. And you have 4 possibilities to work with that flame on the precious metals. And these 4 things are: you anneal the material, you solder it, you weld it, or you can melt it, the material. Okay. Hello, I'm Thomas Proft. I'm a master goldsmith and I am a goldsmith teacher. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can anneal the precious metals. I do have a metal base, a silver wire round and a metal hammer, and I forge on the end of the silver wire. It's sterling silver and I hammer it flat. Then I'll take a plier, it's like a flat plier, and I try to bend some kind of a U form. And when I change mechanically the form of the silver, it hardens at the points where I've changed the form. So at the end of the wire and there where the bow is, the material became hardener. That's because metals are crystal systems, and when I hammer on the crystal system, it changes its crystal form, it becomes more dense. And when I take the flame and I anneal it, I heat it up, it goes back to the original crystal system form. So it's soft again, so that I can work again at the same points of the metal. Now I'll heat it up with an open flame. And here I look for a red color or for orange color. It's always good to make it in the dark room because it's much easier to see the annealing colors. That's called annealing. Okay, be careful you don't make it too hot because it will melt otherwise. Okay, and this is enough that the material is soft one more time, so then you can continue to work. Now you put it in water, then you dry it with a towel, and it has now the crystal system has the original form as it was in the beginning, and so it's easy again to continue here, for example, to bend, but I also can forge again on the end. That's the same with silver, gold, and platinum. On this channel, you can learn how to make a piece of jewelry out of gold, silver, and platinum. I can show you how you manage to create something to make a piece of jewelry in just 4 hours. And finally, that piece of jewelry will have a quality that you can take it and you can put it in a goldsmith's shop window.